In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new page in Webflow. If you're designing a site in Webflow and need another page, maybe for a services overview, a landing page, or a thank you screen, the process is quick and repeatable. I'll walk you through it, explain what you'll see, and share a few tips so you avoid common hiccups. Start by opening your Webflow project in the designer. Make sure you're in the correct site and that you're viewing the designer interface, not the editor. The designer gives you access to your full structure, including the Pages panel where we'll be working. Next, open the Pages panel. You'll find the Pages icon on the left toolbar in the designer. It looks like a small stacked page symbol. Clicking it slides out a panel that lists your site pages, as well as other sections like utility pages and CMS-related templates. For a standard static page, you'll be working in the Site Pages section. If you don't see your expected list, double-check that you're in the right project and that you've opened the main Pages panel rather than a collection or component list. With the Pages panel open, look for the plus sign that adds a page. This plus button is typically visible near the Site Pages heading. It's important to click the plus that belongs to Site Pages, not a plus within a CMS collection or a folder, which would create a different kind of page. If you're organizing your site with folders, confirm which folder is selected so your new page lands exactly where you want it. Now click New Page. This opens the New Page dialog. Here you can give your page a clear, descriptive name, something that makes sense in your project structure and navigation. Webflow will generate a URL slug from the name, which you can adjust if needed for readability and SEO. If your site uses folders, you can place the page inside the right folder to keep things tidy. You may also see options that let you start from a blank canvas or a base layout, depending on your setup. Choose what aligns with your design system. After creating the page, you'll land in the designer on that new canvas, ready to add sections, components, and content. If your site has a global navbar, remember that new pages don't automatically appear there. You'll add a link to this page in your navigation when you're ready. That's it. Open your project, go to Pages, hit the plus, and select New Page. When you're finished designing, publish your site to see the page live on your domain. Thanks for watching and happy building.